नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN's डॉक्टर नीरज धोलिया, फैकल्टी ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड वेटरनरी साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. So we are here to discuss the practical, that is blood collection from given animal. So this practical comes under the subject, that is medical biotechnology lab. So how to collect the blood from the animal, and what are the steps, and what are the various precautions for the same. So first of all, let's have introduction for the blood collection. So the blood collection is the most important aspect of any hematological study or assessment, because the quality of result will depend on the quality of the blood sample. So when collecting the blood, there should be various precautions so that the integrity of the cellular and the fluid components can be saved. Okay, that cannot be deteriorate, or the precaution very important while taking the sample or while taking the blood. So this is the solely responsibility of the collector, means who is collecting the blood. It is its responsibility to ensure the quality of the blood sample. Okay, so that is also true for the laboratory practicals or laboratory experiments. So the what is the principle of the blood collection? So let's discuss the principle that usually the blood is collected from the venous component. Okay, so blood, there are two types of the blood capillaries, the arteries and the veins. Okay, so generally the blood is collected from the veins or the venous component, from the circulatory system. But in few cases, the blood can be harvested from the arteries also. Okay, specifically when you are preparing the experiment for the assessment of the arterial oxygen tension or the component which are present in the arteries. Okay, so the site of the vein, means which vein should be punctured or which vein is selected for the blood collection, is depend on various things such as the size of the animal and the anatomy of the specific species of animal. Likewise, there are many veins which can be selected for the blood collection. Okay, such as the jugular vein, the lateral caudal vein, the cephalic vein, and the saphenous vein, and the femoral vein also. Okay, so the adequate control or the optimal control of animal should be there for taking the good quality of the blood. Okay, so because if the animal is not controlled well, okay, so for example, it is not anesthesia. Okay, so it will be hyper when you will taking the blood. So it's important that you should use the sedatives or the anesthesia before collecting the blood. Okay, so it is also important because the conscious animal, if the animal is not properly anesthetiate or the properly sedated, the conscious animal, which means the animal which have the consciousness now, will respond and excite during the collection of the blood sample. Okay, so this excitement or the conscious animal will give different hematological values from the normal ones. Okay, so it can be when you are collecting the blood, before collecting the blood, you have to first it should be you use the anesthesia or the sedative chemicals, okay, so that the consciousness can be terminated of the animal. And before collecting the blood, because the rats or the mice have hairs on its skin, so you have to first remove the hairs so that you can visualize the veins properly, okay. uh, then before taking the blood, you have to first sterilize the skin using the alcoholic sterilizers, okay. uh, then there are various types of procedures depending on the which artery or vein you are selecting for the blood selection, blood collection, okay. So I want to share a screen so that you will be more comfortable with what I am saying, okay. So yes, the first thing, okay, you can select the various veins or sites for collecting the blood. So first is the retroorbital bleed or retroorbital blood. So this is vein which is present near the eye, okay. So you will take the blood from here, and also there is another vein, that is the tail bleed procedure, okay. So in this you are collecting the blood from the tail region, okay. So here in this slide you can see that the scissor is used, but we generally avoid to use the scissor, okay, because the cut which is uh, uh, generated by the scissor is crushing type of uh, cut. So we generally use the blades, okay, doctor's blade or the uh, blades, so that the cut is very sharp and it is not damage other parts of the adjacent part of the animal, okay. So next you can use the cardiac blood collection, okay. So cardiac blood collection can be collected from the from two ways, from the vertical and from the horizontal animal, okay. So next is the posterior vena cava blood. So posterior vena cava is a vein which collects the deoxygenated blood from the posterior part of the body, okay, from the abdomen and the below part. So the deoxygenated blood is collected from this vein, and you can collect the blood from this site also, okay. So thank you. I hope you are satisfied with this detailed session, and if you have any query, please write in the comment box and I will resolve your query. So the material is we have also provided in the e-notes, and you can read carefully, and if you have any problem, please ask. So this session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, and thank you.